Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the United States Law Enforcement Agency, the Federal Bureau of Investigations, FBI, and other international partners have been called in to probe the multi-million-dollar fraud scheme at Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL. The finance minister made the revelation today, even as he announced a raft of regulatory changes, which include giving oversight responsibilities to the Bank of Jamaica. Now, we'll have all that in a moment. But first, Andrea Chisholm is here to tell us what the minister had to say about the SSL fraud. Andrea?
Well, Herman, there is so much to unpack from this highly anticipated press conference. First of all, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark indicated that the fraud at Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL, is estimated so far to be over $2 billion. He said it is the largest securities fraud by a dealer since the inception of the Financial Services Commission, FSC, some 22 years ago. It targeted not only sprint legend Usain Bolt, but a number of elderly persons.
This is a body blow to Jamaica and has the unfortunate impact of tarnishing Jamaica's global reputation.
A body blow not only because the funds were stolen, but also because of the embarrassment and implications for the country. Dr. Nigel Clark admits that Jamaica has a poor track record in prosecuting financial crimes, and on this occasion, there's no room for error.
With external auditors, regulators, managers, bankers, and later internal auditors, how did this fraud go undetected for 13 years? I put it to you that that is the central question. And it is a question that our government will ensure is answered. Based on the magnitude of this fraud and the lines of inquiry being pursued, the Financial Investigations Division and the Fraud Squad have already, last week, sought assistance from the Federal Bureau of Investigations, the FBI, and other international partners. Today, I will write to our international partners who have traditionally provided support to the Financial Investigations Division and other law enforcement agencies to specifically request the assistance of international forensic auditors to help unravel this 13-year fraud, so we can bring to justice all perpetrators and all co-conspirators.
While those investigations continue, another burning issue. I asked the minister if the stolen money at SSL was insured.
SSL claimed to have fraud insurance to the tune of $1 million US.
That information was communicated to the FSC by letter. The finance minister made it clear the information is yet to be independently verified. What's clear, though, is that there are 38 licensed security dealers in Jamaica with a combined total of over $1.4 trillion in assets under management as at September 30, 2022. SSL had a little over 2% of the amount. That's over $28 billion.
SSL was a relatively small securities dealer, and its problems do not pose a systemic risk to the financial system. There is therefore no need to panic. The financial sector is strong and well capitalized.